Now the next ones we are either going to add or subtract matrices. When we add, we're going to add the ones in the same spots. So if I'm going to do A plus C, I'm going to take the -7 plus the 7. Those are in the first spots. The 3 plus the -7. The 0 plus the 6. And the -2 plus the -1. I can only add and subtract matrices that are the same size because you have to add and subtract the things in the same spots, and if they're not the same size, you end up not being able to add or subtract. So, my final answer here when I do that, -7 plus 7 was 0, 3 plus -7 is a -4, 0 plus 6 is 6, and -2 plus -1 is -3. And so when I take matrix A plus matrix C, I end up with 0, -4, 6, -3. Now when we subtract matrices, we're going to subtract means we have to add the opposite. So what I like to do is I like to say, okay, -D then would be my matrix, and change all my signs, right? When I do minus a negative, that becomes 5. -7, -4, +7, the opposite of 0, still 0, and -5. So if D is -5, 7, 4, -7, 0, 5, then a -D would be a +5, -7, -4, 7, 0, -5. Now I can go ahead and add my matrices together. So distribute that negative out. 4 plus 5 is going to be 9. 7 plus -7 is going to be 0. 7 minus 4 is going to be 3. 6 and 7 would be 13. 1 plus 0 is 1. -5 plus a -5 is -10. And that would be the answer for my matrix. So subtraction is adding the opposite. If I make these all the opposite, then I can just go ahead and add my two matrices together. And number 6. Same thing, I'm taking A minus D. So the matrix for minus D would be -2, -3, 7, and -2. And then I can go ahead and add my two matrices together. 3 plus -2 is 1. -5 minus 3 is -8. 1 and 7 would be +8. 1 minus 2 would be -1. And there would be my answer for A minus D.